the pupils, they picked flowers and they had made things in the school, bronze axes and other jewelry. And we all brought it down and built up an altar along that stone. And then I tell you the rest. You understand me?
Yes.
Yes. Oh.
Viking saga say that go back 1,000 years, and it's told generation to generation until today. Stavard was here with his ship and he met some Norwegian Vikings and they attacked him, so he had to flee in here, and the Norwegians did go here to search for his treasure. That is the story.